If you want to build ab strength, then this is a must-have starting point. The abs perform multiple functions, but basically what we want to do is we want to train the abs in isometric contractions, and we also want to train the abs in a dynamic contraction. Now, the tuck up is a really good introduction to that dynamic contraction, where it's pulling your spine into forward flexion and assisting with the hip flexion that is used in so many gymnastics and calisthenics movements.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
This is a great starting point for you if you want to work towards doing a V-up or a straddle up or even a toes to bar ab exercise. Make sure you stick around to the end, because the 3 coaching cues that we teach for this exercise are really important to understand. A lot of people do the tuck up and they're really frustrated because they can't sit up properly and get their chest right into their knees. And it's all because of a misunderstanding of the way that you initiate the movement. So stick around to the end and let's learn how to do the tuck up properly. If you like our content and want expert coaching, I'd love to invite you inside our free Facebook coaching community, where the whole Unity team and myself hang out, go live, and drop feedback to keep you progressing. Just search UMS Movement Mastermind in Facey, hit join, and I'll even give you access to my incredible 20-minute flexibility routine as a welcome gift.
Tuck up. We use this to prepare the core for much more challenging exercises in later phases of the UMS. Lay on your back with arms above your head. Initiate by bringing the arms forward, engaging the abs, and sitting up. Once your back comes off the ground, bring your knees into your chest to reach the tuck up position. A common mistake is that people bring their knees in far too soon, which prevents them from tucking up. This creates a false sense of lack of strength when the real problem is incorrect movement. Ensure you start with your arms, then lift your shoulders by engaging the abs. Then, when the back comes off the ground, tuck your knees in. During the eccentric phase, make sure to roll down each vertebra of the spine, one at a time. Do not lay on the ground with a flat back. Lower back first, then mid back, then shoulders. The 3 cues to think of when performing the exercise are: use your abdominal muscles, lift your hands and shoulders first, touch your hands and feet to the ground at the same time.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. If we haven't met, my name is Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the co-founders of Unity Gym and the Unified Movement System, or UMS. Right now, you're here watching our free content on YouTube. And since you've already come this far, I can tell you're serious about getting strong, flexible, and fit. But if you're ready to level up, our free Facebook coaching group is exactly what's going to help you do just that. Not only can you ask questions and post videos for feedback from us, I'll also give you one of my most popular and effective programs, the 20-minute flexibility routine, as a gift for joining our tribe. See, despite our combined 50 years of training at an elite level, despite how much quality content we give away on YouTube, at some point, your progression will come to a grinding halt due to limiting factors that are unique to you alone. Honestly, it's not your fault. You haven't done anything wrong. But our tribe is a testament that having an expert look at what you're doing and help you to break through plateaus is simply game-changing. So whether you want to get more flexible, stronger, fitter, or learn some awesome calisthenics moves, or even just perfect your squat technique, we can help you get there faster and safer. Oh, and before you go, if you haven't already, smash those like buttons and subscribe buttons. It goes a really long way to supporting our channel and helps us keep putting out the content we do. And if you prefer to listen, search any podcast platform for Sound of Movement to listen to our amazing interviews with coaches and experts in their field. Well, that's it. I'm looking forward to meeting you in the UMS Movement Mastermind Facebook group. See you soon.